Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to turn off Google Safe Search on phone. Now to do that, what you need to do is open your Google Chrome on your mobile device. So tap upon the Google Chrome. Once you're at this page, you need to tap on the dotted lines on the top right, tap that. Then tap on settings. Now once you're at the setting page, you need to scroll down and there you need to tap on safety check inside basic, tap that. There's the safe browsing option on the third, you tap on it. So there's three ways how you can keep your Google Safe Search on, that is enhanced protection, standard protection, no protection at all. In the enhanced protection, faster proactive protection against dangerous website downloads and extension. Once you about your password breaches, require Google browsing data to be sent to Google. If you tap that, Google will be able to predict and warn you about dangerous events before they might happen. It will keep you safe on Chrome and may be used to improve your security in other Google Maps when you are signed in. Likewise, it improves security for you and everyone on the website. Likewise, in standard, what you will have is it will detect and warn you about dangerous events when they happen. Check URL with the list of unsafe sites stored in Chrome. This will warn you if your password are exposed in a data breach. So at the end, no protection. That means there won't be any safe browsing on your phone. Safe browsing protects you against deceptive website. If you choose the option no protection, you will not be able to get any warning before you enter a dangerous website. So to turn off Google Safe Search, you can turn on this protection, turn off safe browsing. You tap on turn off. This setting will not be able to protect you against dangerous website downloads and extension. You'll still get safe browsing protection where available in other Google services like Gmail and searches. This is a way how you can turn off Google Safe Search on phone. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.